Here's how this works. You're gonna sit over here on this side, and what we're gonna do is put this here, right? And it might be a little bit gross, guys, because this watermelon's been sitting in the garden for a while. So we'll see how that goes.
Don't tell me we're gonna eat it.
You're not gonna eat it, it's too gross. But what you can do now,
What about we do the watermelon? We do
there
watermelon.
you go, guys.
Ready? Oh my God. Okay, ready?
Go.
Let's go.
You go.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go ahead, boys. Yeah, this way. Pull and get it right over the top of the other spot. Right over. Right on the table. Okay, good. Right. In the middle.